my god, oh my god. Everyone is buying this coin right now. There's so much volatility, which means that it is perfect for this coin. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to hit 70k, bro. Alright, yo, it's actually looking pretty solid, bro. I love these buyers coming in. Alright, that's perfect. Alright, come on, just a couple more buyers. Yo, honestly, bro, I'm just gonna cut the profit short. Once we hit 50k, I'm gonna remove it. Come on, bro. Oh my god, no, I have no more time to waste, bro. Fuck it. What you wanna do, go to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. Okay, good shit. Then confirm. Oh my god! We just made! My Phantom wallet's been going wild. I've racked up over $925,000 this month just by launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Don't click away. I'm about to break it all down. Bro, lock in, chat. You guys need to listen to what I got to say, man. Are you tired of trading these stupid meme coins? And by the way, this one is fake. 100% fake. Look at this chart. Are you tired of being caught up? I know the exact feeling. I'm telling you guys, I know it. What you guys want is not to be the ones trading, but the ones creating. Now, what I mean by that, if we go over to this coin that I was watching, these are the creators. They created the coin, they waited for buyers, and then they just dumped all the way down. Now, I know this chart is dirty and all that, but I was just taking notes on it, and bro, I told you guys, in a matter of minutes it rugged. So the reason why you guys will want to be these guys is to make that big juicy money. Now, what this strategy entails is create a coin, good narrative, wait for buyers, then dump, and then repeat. Now, if we go over to coinlabs.fun, this website will allow you guys to create these meme coins. And the thing that is beautiful about this strategy is that it's fully repeatable. You can do it as many times as you want, and once you get that one juicy coin, that coin that will change your entire life, you will never be the same, and you'll want more and more and more. And that's why it is fully repeatable. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. Now, the reason why you guys are going to be creating your coins on coinlabs.fun is, first of all, it is the only real website on YouTube. Secondly, your coin is launched in seconds with no coding required. And third of all, your coin gets created straight to the Radium DEX. Now, this is the most important part of the video, so stay focused. Now, why is this important for you guys? Well, it creates your coin straight here, and you get way more attention, way more buys, and way more eyeballs, so people are more likely to see your coin. And if you have a good narrative, boy, it is game over. Now, the reason why you guys will not be creating your coin on Pump.Fun is for this reason. You guys, these coins and just Pump.Fun in general is too saturated. There are too many bullshit coins being created every single second, not seeing the light of day. And the second thing that is annoying with this website is that it has to reach a bonding curve. Now, what is the bonding curve? When your coin hits $90,000 in market cap, it will transfer over to the Radium liquidity pool. But why would we go through all that hassle when we can just create the coin straight on the Radium liquidity pool with coinlabs.fun? Now, my favorite feature on coinlabs.fun is actually the copy trending coins tab. Now, what this tab does is it goes through all of Bullex, all of Pump.Fun, and goes through all of Photon, trying to find coins that are proven concepts. These coins, all of these coins here are proven concepts. These will make money. And my 3 golden rules for this is to find a coin with over $30,000 in market cap and to assure that it has enough traction to support itself. Then my second rule is to have a last bought in under 15 seconds ago so that it is still trending. And my third rule is the narrative. You have to have a good narrative that is active, a narrative that is in the news, something that is important. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing using them a hella ton because I am on vacation. All right, so we're gonna create a coin right now. We're gonna refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. Just gonna write my password. Now don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm, all right. Now the website is currently creating my token, so all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%. And then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're gonna be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed. And then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch. And bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now, how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.